What's up, gang, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, y'all. I know it's been a minute since I have uploaded a video, y'all, but so much has been going on. I just really been trying to like keep up with my orders, make sure like I am focusing on my online presence a little bit more, y'all. So yes, but enough about me. How are you guys? Comment down below if you're doing good, if 2023 is treating you all right. Y'all know we in the second quarter. So make it count, okay? Make it count. But before I go any further, you guys, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you can be notified every single time I grace your screen. So yes, you guys, I wanted to come and talk to you guys today just on like a business tip, and just kind of give you guys some advice. So one of the things that I had kind of wanted to talk about, that I've seen being asked on my channel was like about how to get started in the beauty vending industry. I honestly felt like I had answered like a lot of questions pertaining to starting your own vending machine business. So you guys make sure you check out those videos on my channel. If there was something that you felt like I didn't answer that you wanted me to answer, y'all, I do offer one-on-ones when it comes to vending, when it comes to beauty vending. So yeah, but I try to be very transparent with you guys. If that is a journey that you want to take, go for it. You know what I mean? There are so many different ways that you can make money when it comes to your beauty brands. So you guys, I definitely want you to be open to trying different things. If it's beauty vending, getting inside of beauty supply stores, going on Walmart online, or getting on Amazon. You guys, those are some great avenues that will help you be able to generate more income and get more brand exposure. So you guys, fun fact, well, not a fun fact, I don't know y'all, but some exciting news break, okay? We are launching back on Amazon, okay, you guys? It has been a little minute since we have restocked on Amazon, and you guys, from the emails, it's been overwhelming, and I know you guys are wanting us to get back on Amazon, so that is something that I have been working on. You guys, I recently was accepted into the Black Accelerator program. Don't know if that is the correct name, but you guys, that is something else that you can apply for. If you are a minority-owned business, apply for Amazon's Black Accelerator program. Don't quote me if that's the name, because I don't think Amazon that bold to call it the Black Accelerator program, but it's something like that. Let me, hold on y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what it's called, because I don't want to be telling y'all what is not, if that's not, you know what I'm saying, but it's something like that, for real. No, y'all, it's definitely called that. Amazon is bold for that. Y'all, it's called the Amazon Black Business Accelerator. So y'all, basically, this program is, I'm gonna just read what it says, y'all. It says Amazon Accelerator is a program in which third-party sellers and manufacturers interested in selling their products under the Amazon brand can potentially become an Amazon private brand supplier. This basically means giving up a certain amount of control over your business to Amazon in exchange for marketplace. So basically, that's okay. So that's the regular, what I just read to y'all, okay, that's the regular Amazon Accelerator program. So basically that's you putting your products on there and they're gonna take a percentage of your profits, okay? Now, the Amazon Black Business Accelerator, it supports Black-owned businesses to build sustainable growth by explicitly targeting barriers to access, opportunity, and advancement created by societal and historical imbalances. So basically they're gonna help your brand kind of like get a leg up, you know, because as minority owned brands, it's kind of more of a struggle. Y'all know we struggle with getting loans, we struggle with so much, y'all. We struggle with a lot when it comes to our businesses, just because we are kind of a little bit more behind due to, you know, the things that we went through. You know what I mean? It ain't no no-brainer. Y'all know, like I know, okay? So yes, I applied for that, I got accepted, and now I have to like go through this process. They give you your own they give you like your own mentor that helps you like set up your store, make sure, you know, your product listings and everything are correct. And yes, y'all, it's really beneficial. I feel like you should apply if you have a minority owned business, regardless if it's cosmetics or not. You should definitely apply and get help with your brand. So yes, outside of us getting back on there, oh, and they also have a grant too. It's also a grant that you can apply for. So y'all just check it out, Google it. I did have it right. It's the Amazon Black Business Accelerator. So Google that, look it up, and get on that. Walmart does not have one, but Walmart is stepping up in terms of trying to be like Amazon online, because they are offering the WBA. So it's Walmart